Assalamualaikum guys. In this video, I demonstrate you to select a number which is greater than the other number. Between three numbers we are defining here. I wanted to take A as in int and in the input just none the text. So the number is 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's take an as B, which is int, also taken as in the input within none. It is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's say another one. C. As I told you earlier, I want to demonstrate the three number which is greater than that will be printed in the output statement. So C, which is equals to 105967 8. Okay, for my convenience, I just gave that number. So print is the maximum number. The maximum is, let's say, with the gap, maximum is and equals to, as I told you earlier, n functions returns whole program. The maximum is, here we not given the condition, so this I made a mistake here. This should be printed in the last one. So let's say the condition must be first given as B less than or equals to A, greater than or equals to C. For example, for my convenience, equals to A. A is greater than or equals to C. Okay. French. Yeah, guys. Yeah, okay. LF. LF. A is less than or equals to B, or B is greater than or equals to C. French. B and else, the last one. Print out C. Here's the maximum number, as I told you earlier, is C. Thank you guys for being with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you very much. Don't be forgotten to share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.